This ultimate lobster mac and cheese does the lobster justice, not just with the soft, delicious meat, but the shells are used for stock and some glorious lobster butter. Once the lobster is cooked, the shells are then added into a pot with garlic and lots of butter. Toasted sourdough is ground for a crumb topping, and the lobster shells and all of that butter is ground. Once the shells are ground, the shell and butter mixture is strained to create the most beautiful and glorious lobster butter. Macaroni is then cooked and kept aside. The lobster butter is added to the pot together with some shallots, garlic, mushrooms, paprika, and some flour. Cream is added with cheese and parsley. Macaroni, and finally the lobster meat is added. To bake this, lobster butter is added to the bottom to prevent sticking, and the mixture is added, and more cheese is added as well to the top, together with the sourdough breadcrumbs and some reserved claw meat. It's then baked till ooey gooey delicious. I'm going to start with two beautiful lobsters that came from our great Canadian East Coast. Each one of these is about 600 grams, and I'm just cooking them in some hot water. These should take about 7 to 8 minutes. You can also steam them or grill them. I'm actually going to cook this for a few minutes under, as the meat will be cooked again in the cheese sauce later. Remove this and leave it aside to cool. Once cool, remove the lobster meat and keep aside. Add some oil to a pot and then add in all of the shells. I'm going to add 5 cloves of garlic that I've sliced. And I'm going to start with 227 grams of butter. I have all of these lobster juices. I will save them for later. Once the shells have some color, turn off the flame and let them cool. I have 2 slices of sourdough toasted breadcrumbs here. I'm just going to run these through my Ninja for a crunchy topping later. Keep these aside. Now add in all of the shells. Once the shells are ground, I'm going to add it back into the pot with another 227 grams of butter. Now I'm just going to let this strain so we can separate the butter to give us this gorgeous, vibrant lobster butter. I know that there's still flavor to impart, so I'm going to add the strainer and the shells into the lobster water, and the leftover butter from the shells is just going to flavor the macaroni. I'm going to add in 2 cups of macaroni. Cook according to the package instructions and then remove. Dry the pot and add some lobster butter. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of sliced shallots. Add 4 cloves of garlic that I've sliced. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of mushrooms that I've also sliced. Next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and half a cup of flour. Mix this in. Add a bit more of that lobster butter. And now I'm going to add in 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm also going to add 1 cup of shredded cheese and more lobster butter. Add in a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and add salt to taste. Add all of the cooked macaroni in, and now I'm going to add in most of the lobster meat. I'm just going to be reserving the claw meat for later. I'm also going to add in all of the reserved juices. To bake this, add some lobster butter to the bottom to prevent this from sticking and give the macaroni some additional flavor. Add the mixture, then another 1/2 cup of cheese in between and over the top, and finish off with the sourdough crumbs. Add some of the reserved claw meat, and this is baked till it's ooey gooey and delicious in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Serve it up and enjoy.